Hello everybody, this is your Vijayalakshmi teacher and welcome to our social class. We are doing block 14. In the previous classes, we learnt about the history of cultivation. What is history of cultivation? It is nothing but the story of farming. How the hunter-gatherer changed into a farmer. Okay, how he started growing crops. In the second class of block 15, we learnt the rice cultivation. What are the steps for rice cultivation? Like the farmer plows the land, he sows the seed, then the rice crop grows, okay, and how it is when the grain turns brown, how it is harvested. Then the husk is separated from rice, it is packed in the sacks, sent to the mill. So this is how it was, okay, rice cultivation. And today we are going to learn an interesting topic. So to begin with, I'll ask you a question. Tell me students, what type of dishes do you have for your breakfast? Very interesting topic, no? Food. Food is always a great topic to discuss. So what are some food items that you have for breakfast? We have, shall I tell you? Okay, I'll answer for you. We have idli, dosa, vada, chapati, noodles, things like that. Did you ever think where this come from or how these are made? Okay, for lunch and dinner, once again, what do we eat? For lunch, we eat rice or roti or dal, vegetable curry. Once again in night, we have rice or roti and vegetables and dal and dishes similar to this. So what are these items made up of? Did you ever think what are these items made up of? Okay. They are made with food grains like rice. Roti is made with wheat. That is a food grain. Wheat is a food grain. Rice is a food grain. And the sambar or the dal is made from tuar dal or a Bengal gram dal, okay, and lot of spices in it, and the curries are made with vegetables. So that is how we enjoy our food. So today we are going to learn some of the food grains and pulses. Okay, in our class, let us observe some food grains and pulses. Then we are going to identify them. Right, students? Now, let us learn some of the food grains and pulses, right? So some of the food grains are rice, wheat, ragi, jawar, bajra, maize. You also know it as corn. Okay. What are some of the food grains? Rice, wheat, ragi, jawar, bajra, maize, okay, corn. Then some of the pulses are, okay, with which dal is made and some other dishes are made. Bengal gram, green gram, tuvar dal, okay, the sambar or the what you call it as pappu is made with tuvar dal, right? Moong dal, black gram, right? Bengal gram, green gram, tuvar dal, moong dal and black gram. Let us see some samples of food grains and pulses. Dear students, let us observe some of the food grains now. So this is something which is there in all of our houses. Okay. So this is rice. Okay, one of the food grain. You can see rice. Now next, this is ragi. Okay, ragi. With which malt is made. Then what is this? This is jawar. Okay, this is jawar with which jawari roti is made. Okay, jawar. Okay, jawar. So we are looking at some of the food grains. Jawar, ragi. These are also known as millets also. They come under food grains. Ragi. So rice. These are food grains. Now let us see some pulses. Okay. These are this Bengal gram. Okay, also known as Chaneka dal, Chanaka pappu. Okay, used in making snacks, dal, etc. This is tuvar dal. Okay, this is tuvar dal, our main dish. Okay, after rice we add dal to our rice, so dal is made from tuvar dal. Okay, known as tuvar dal only, or kandi pappu, right? Next we have the black gram. Okay, what madam is showing something white and she is saying black gram. How come? You might be thinking, okay, the outer husk, the black husk is removed, the outer cover is, when it is removed, then what you find is this black gram, well known as urad dal. Okay, with which idli, dosa are made. Okay, this is urad dal. Okay, have a look at it. Urad dal, also known as black gram. Tuvar dal. So copy this table in your class book neatly. We eat food grains like rice, wheat, ragi, jawar, bajra, maize, corn. We eat pulses like Bengal gram, green gram, tuvar dal, moong dal and black gram. Right, and now I have a question for you students. The question is, why is it important to include food grains and pulses in your diet? Okay, in your meals. Okay, in your diet or meals. Okay, why is it important to include food grains and pulses in your diet, in your meals? Right? You want the answer? Food grains and pulses are rich in protein. So, if you include this in your diet every day, they build strong muscles and you'll grow well. So, that is the reason we should make it a point. We should add these food grains and pulses in our daily food. Okay, the food which we take. Now for today's homework. So, today's homework is home assignment. Finish S3 in workbook. Answer practice question 3. Okay, practice question 3 will be at the back of the lesson. Copy the question in notebook and answer it. Then also read from the textbook food grain and pulses. That part of the lesson where food grains and pulses is there. Okay, that's all for today students. Thank you.
Food grains and pulses. In this module, you will discuss the food grains and pulses that are grown and consumed in India.
Sid, Alicia, today we will try different types of dishes that are famous in different parts of India.
Yay!
In India, people belonging to different regions eat different types of food. But food grains and pulses form the most essential part of the meal in almost every part of the country. Wheat, rice, maize, jawar and bajra are some of the most important food grains grown in different parts of India. Wheat is mainly grown and consumed in North and Central India. People make chapatis, puris and parathas from wheat. Rice is grown and consumed mostly in Eastern and Southern India. People either fry or boil it in the eastern regions. In South India, people make a number of dishes such as idli and dosa from rice. In western parts of India, such as in the state of Rajasthan and Gujarat, wheat along with other food grains such as jawar, maize and bajra are consumed. These crops are mostly used to make flour, which is used to make chapatis and rotis. Pulses are also an important part of the Indian meal. They are consumed all over the country. Some of the popular pulses grown and consumed in India are masoor, moong, urad and arhar. They are also known as dal. People in North India eat roti with dal. Rice with dal is consumed in Eastern India, and in South India, sambar is prepared by using pulses and vegetables.
Wow! There is so much variety in the food consumed in different parts of India.
Yes, Sid, and that is because crops used for making food items are grown according to the landform and climate, which differ from region to region.
Mom, I want to taste the South Indian dish first.
Sure, let's go to that South Indian stall.
Let's recap. In India, people eat different kinds of food. Food grains and pulses form the most important part of Indian meals. Wheat, rice, maize, jowar and bajra are important food grains of India. Wheat is mainly grown in North India. Rice is grown mostly in Eastern and Southern India. Jowar, maize, bajra and wheat are grown in Western India. Pulses are an important part of the Indian meal. They are consumed all over India.